swag, bitch.
Hey yo, what is up people? This is TechSav here and welcome back to my channel. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you guys should probably know that this guy has passed away. This was my Ambrain power bank of 13,000 milliamp hour which I bought a year and a half back. Since then, I've used it rigorously until the last day when it said to me, "No dude, I've had enough." Alright, so this guy had one micro USB port up at the top along with a torch, and on the sides it had two USB type A ports to charge two devices simultaneously. Other than that, the build quality is not that great. It was plastic all along and this was the torch that was present in this power bank. So after this guy passed away, I got up yesterday morning and ordered one from Amazon.in, and I got this package right here like today. Like, I am really astonished by the delivery service of Amazon, so thumbs up to them for delivering a power bank so quickly. Now let's get this unboxed. So this is the MI Power Bank 2i, which is the successor of MI Power Bank 2. Now the only difference between 2 and the 2i is that this one is completely made in India. Previously, Redmi used to export their products from China to India, but now they're producing it right here. And from the first look, you can see the label that it is made in India, and pretty normal packaging for a power bank. And let's flip this one and you can check out all the information of the power bank which you are getting, the box contents, and here you can see the price is $11.99, but I got this one from Amazon at $17.99. so I'll link it down in the description box so you can check that out yourself. So this has a pretty minimal packaging. Now let's get into the box contents. Now this is the power bank right here. As you can see, it is covered in this plastic case, and from the first impression it feels quite light, maybe even lighter than my previous one, but this guy is made of aluminum while the other one is made of plastic, but this one still feels lighter. So now let's check out the texture and the build quality. So as you guys can see, it has the minimal design with the MI branding on the front, and this one looks classy guys, and the texture is really smooth, and for the price you pay, you get a good 10,000 mAh power bank with a good looking design. So you can find all the information on the bottom of this device, and up on the top, if you remove this one, you can reveal all the ports that are present in this power bank. So first up, you get a power check button, and beside that you have a micro USB port and two USB type A ports to charge two devices simultaneously. And the build quality is much better than my previous one, and it is lighter and slimmer and is way better in every aspect. Just that my previous power bank was 13,000 mAh and this one is 10,000 mAh. So as you can see, it is quite slimmer, and you can fit this in your pocket, and this is the power check button that I was talking about. So you can press this one and this will light up the LEDs which are present on the top of the micro USB port. So as you can see, it is blinking right now at 2 dots, so this means it has 25 to 50% of charge. So now I will charge my iPhone 10 with this one just to check if it works properly or not. Now let me just plug in my device right here, and I'm using a standard USB type A to lightning cable for my iPhone 10, and as you can see right here, it charges well and good. And I think this power bank has fast charge fast charge enabled, but you cannot fast charge two devices simultaneously. So as you can see right here, the LEDs are blinking. That means it is charging. So I'm just gonna unplug it right now. So this was the MI Power Bank 2i. I will give an in-depth review of this one in my upcoming video, so stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel, guys. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, just hit that like button, guys. It helps me a lot. And again, a big thank you to you guys for the 100 subs. I feel great, guys, and thanks. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, peace out.